On the 4-hour time frame, bigger picture, we can identify the higher high, higher low structure zone and the high zone. We can see that the price has been ranging between the high and the low. Right now, we're going to focus on the latest market structure. From 4-hour time frame, go into a 1-hour time frame. I can identify the last high zone of this structure, and also can identify the previous higher high of the structure. We can see a smaller scale higher low being created, with a push to the upside and failure to create another high, and bounce back down to the zone, eventually breaking it. So, right now we can see the breakout formed. With that, we have an evidence to prepare for a break and retest, and also we see a slight pullback. Now going down to 30-minute time frame. To further identify the structure, I'm setting the closing level of the previous higher low, and I can see in more details the pullback structure. Now I'm waiting for the price to come up, retest the structure zone, then go on even lower time frame, like 15 minutes, to identify the break of structure confirmation, and then look for a continuation down. All of these previous smaller scale higher low areas will be my potential obstacles, where I need to manage the trade. But the major low from the higher time frame will be the final target that I'm seeking.